Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, the two trades. I actually showed us these two signals, this chart in the morning, okay, when I created my video, and all the TPs were achieved. Okay, all glory to God, all the TPs were achieved. If you followed my signal in the morning, or probably you watch my video in the morning, I showed us about, I used this particular chart to explain in the morning, and all the TPs have been achieved. Then the second chart which I use in the morning happen to be this one, okay, for the spikes trading. Okay, you can see it was around there in the morning, and of course you can see it has achieved all the TPs. So that's so amazing. That is the benefit of you following my videos on the YouTube channel, and also being a member of my Telegram channel. Okay, because you will also see the same signals in the Telegram channel. Okay, so that's the beautiful part of it. So tonight we'll be checking out tonight's analysis and see what we should go for right from there. But before we go fully into it, in case you have any question, you can drop a question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will definitely be there to reply you also. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up on the with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200 right from this support zone. I'm on 15-minute time frame, okay, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, 2 days ago this actually picked up right from this support zone, and it bought till it got to this particular region. Okay, so right from there it was unable to break out above this resistance zone because it was respected around here also. So it switched over from an uptrend into a downtrend. We got the sell signal, which is in line with the downtrend. And as you can see, it is still selling. Once it breaks out below this support zone, definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, we are most likely to see a change in direction of a trend. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999, still on 15-minute time frame. Remember, I did a video on this, and I dropped the signal also in the Telegram channel. Okay, so this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, and of course broke out from this zone to sell more, and it is still selling at the moment. If it should break out from the next support zone, it's still going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. But this is still selling at the moment. Okay, now let's check out PNX 1200. This is PNX 1200. I actually did video on this particular, I posted a signal on this particular chart in the Telegram channel that it's going to buy. It's achieved the first TP, second TP, had a pullback, and it will be heading towards the third TP, which happened to be the last TP in the signal which I dropped in the Telegram channel. So this is also a winning opportunity for us. So this is still buying at the moment. It's still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is the one I use in my video in the morning. This is the second chart I use in my video in the morning, and of course this had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone, had a little play around there, but eventually it went back onto a downtrend, and of course gave us sell signals, and of course it has been selling signals approaching the next support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, now next asset, which is going to be the last asset for today, that is FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, still on 15-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a while, but has got into this support zone, got there around there, had a pullback, came back down again. Several times it has made an attempt to break out below the support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to pull back also into an uptrend, but we need it to break out from here. If it breaks out from here, then it should be targeting this. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it should be targeting this region. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So this is still buying at the moment, and it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it's going to sell. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.